Guys, 1, 2, 3 here. Today I'm gonna play some Phantom Forces. Playing Flare Domination. Seems we're losing. I have this scar now because I spent all my dollars in the game. Ah. Our weapons are pretty sweet. Okay, these guys are not good. What? I got an assist. No, my teammate's gonna die! Weapons. Running turn. I don't know what any of the other players are. That's a quick skip. Okay. Camping the door. That guy's so high level! Dang! Okay. Yeah, let's go this way. I'm not very high level, if you know, because I'm only rank 15. I bought the scar, I didn't actually get it. That's how I do. What? Oh, I didn't die from that! Yes. I have to get... I need to get as many kills as I can as possible. I'm actually gonna use the running turn. Just because I can. Okay, guess not. But we're completely wrecking because we have all the points again. The shotguns aren't the best as I thought they were. Yeah, they're still okay. Oh, that actually is pretty good because they can one-shot enemies. Oh, man. That little pistol ain't gonna get really good. Yes! Oh, that was a good one. Case. Weapon. No! Why does it keep doing that? Scar. Oh, yeah. Let's see some things that I can buy. Pattern to funny weapon. Don't have anything. Oh, I'm not looking. But I think I passed the legendary. Very rare thing. What got box? Is that any good? Oh. Actually, I'm just gonna pick that skin. This box is pretty good. It looks nice. Weapon moto. Wait, no, let's go to case. Buy cases. Tier 5 case. Tier 5 case. And I got a common over there. For 50. Let's see my inventory. Buy case keys. Okay, space. Wait, what's in my inventory again? So I got uniform 2 star case. It's tier 4. It's a tier 4. Wait, do I have the? I have the box for it. Let's unlock the container. Hopefully, if I can buy a weapon for map pack. Let's do this. I'm not looking. For CAD pack. Aww, that's annoying. So what's something else? Oh, I think I'm gonna go Scar. It's King of the Hill, so they're all gonna be approaching this area. Yep. I'm bringing out my best gun. And sadly, Scar failed me, even though it's way better than the intervention, and you get way further into the levels in this game, which is quite upsetting. Wait, is this counting down? So the less points the other team has, the more that you win. Alright. Since I can, I'm gonna use this thing. Whatever this thing is. Man, I suck with a shotgun. Maybe probably because I haven't shot anyone close enough. What happened there? Why wasn't my thing shooting? Okay. Okay, we're back here. I can definitely shoot that guy again. I'm your teammate. Don't correct me. It's predictable. I think I need to use a good gun. Okay. So weapon, I think I'm gonna go assault. I'm gonna use the ASL. Just because it doesn't shake as much, which I like about it. It's kind of like what? Okay. I know where this idiot is. We're losing so much. Except for skin, so. Skeleton. Well, I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and goodbye!